Call it the Devil's Path for a reason, I guess. Thankfully, we're on the way down at this point. Ended up hitting 3 summits, North and South Twin, and Indian Head. Original plan was to hit those 3, plus Sugarloaf, plus Plateau, but I'd like to get out of here before 5 o'clock. I had to work tomorrow. I had to drive for a minute to get to my hotel. So 3 is good for now. Awesome first trip to the Catskills. Highly recommend the place in winter. Honestly, traffic on this trail hasn't been too bad at all. As you can see, snowshoes are definitely required in the winter. March is hit or miss for that, apparently. But as you can see from today, it's currently definitely a hit. So right now I am in between North and South Twin too. I'm headed back to Dolan Notch. Then from Dolan Notch, I head to the Prediger Hill trailhead, the Devil's Path. Head out of here. Currently on the, as I said, the Devil's Path. And without snowshoes, here's what it looked like. So, about 18 inches of post hole potential. And I, of course, forgot to bring my snow baskets. I did bring both crampons and spikes. Did not end up using the crampons. Spikes I pulled out from Dolan Notch to the summit of Indian Head, and I stashed my snowshoes. But on the way up Indian Head, it was just miserable. So I decided to put the snowshoes back on for Twin, which I do not regret, because this trail is pretty well packed, but you'll still have the occasional foot post hole to trip you up, which, especially as I'm starting to go down now, I just don't want to deal with. This should be the last little bit of ascent in the trail, and it should be all downhill back to the car. Whew. Whew. Catskills are definitely a lot of snow-covered palm, balsam, really evergreen trees. I would imagine it's because it's too cold for any other kind of tree to really thrive too much up here. Haven't decided if this is the next episode of Hikes with Nick or not, by the way. Hence no introduction. It's probably not going to be. I just wanted to film the snowshoe and talk about the trail a little bit. I don't really have any topic to talk about though. Whew. I will say, this is probably going to make it out before episode 5, Hikes with Nick. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, but it might. But this would be a great time to illustrate my point from episode 5 of Hikes with Nick, which is about winter hiking. And that's moisture management, because right now that dark layer, that's sweat. It's just like I'll say in that episode, I run stupid hot, so like I'm only wearing this parka and a base layer. The base layer is half unzipped, honestly. But yeah, it's just oh, and the parka's vents are open, I just run stupid hot. But this doesn't actually become a problem unless you stop moving for a minute. That's because there's the summit of South Twin too, by the way. I hope there hasn't been water on that the whole time. No, man. And sweat, I guess. Whew. Man. Woo. See what I mean about the trees yet? That's why you don't look at the snack bag instead of the trail. Yee. Woo! Ow! Was looking at the trail that time. Okay.